Hello guys, welcome on control panel overview in LG washer dryer Vivace. So the first button is for turning on, this one is for start or stop the cycle. There we have the control dial if you want to set your cycle. This button is for a steam function, this one is for a turbo wash function, and this one is for a drying. This one is for a delay, and this add the clothes for the remote control. If you hold these two buttons, we're gonna activate the child lock. If you want to hold these two buttons, we manage the sounds of this device. There we have buttons for the first and second chamber of the S-dispense function, and if you hold it together, you will open the settings option. And basically, that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.